Installation Guide for Image2Punch Pro version 7.2. In this video, I will show you the installation procedure for Image2Punch Pro version 7.2. I assume that you have downloaded the retail version of Image2Punch. To ensure a smooth process, all tooling database need to export into a file and all existing Image2Punch Pro from older version needs to uninstall. The first thing to do is to uninstall the older version. Please right-click the icon and then open the file location. Inside the folder, we need to click the uninstall file. Then click Yes to uninstall. The notification box will pop up if the installation process is good. The next step is to click the installation file of Image2Punch Pro. There are two modes of installation. First, the installation for particular user, i.e. install for me only. In this mode, Image2Punch Pro will be installed and kept in the user directory and only creates shortcuts for the current user only. The advantages of this installation mode is that the user does not need to have proper admin right as all folders are kept in the shared location. The second mode is the installation for all users. In this mode, only someone who has the admin right will be able to install Image2Punch and all the files will be kept in the global location such as Program Files folder. In order to run Image2Punch, the Run in Administration mode also need to be activated. The advantages of this, all user can use and run Image2Punch. The selection of these two installation mode will depend on your company policy and need to discuss with your company's computer admin. For this tutorial, I select the install for me only which is recommended. Then, is to read carefully the end-user license agreement. You need to accept the agreement and click the next button for to the next step. The next step. The acknowledgement for the third-party library or software that is being used together in Image2Punch Pro. In this step, the installation procedure will give you chance to change the destination location. Normally, it is better to let the installation system to select the proper destination based on the chosen installation mode. Next, the system will create the folder shortcut for Start menu. You can change the folder name if you need to. Then, the system will also create a desktop shortcut, by default. You can also ignore this step by uncheck the box. In this step, user need to click Install to proceed the installation process. During the installation process, the indicator bar will be animated and changed to all green when the installation complete. After the installation complete, the dialog box pop up and you can complete the installation process by clicking the Finish button. Image2Punch can also be run straight away when the Launch Image2Punch Pro box is checked as in this video. Image2Punch banner will come up when the application is running. Because the licensing key has not been activated, the banner will use trial version only. When the program windows is open, we click the Help menu, then go to the Licensing menu item and click it. Then it will open the licensing dialog box. From here we can retrieve the machine code. This code is needed to generate the license key. As soon as you get the information for the license key, you need to fill into the proper box, starting from the name, then the company or location. All this information are retrieved from your purchasing detail. Then you need to copy and paste the licensing information to the license key box. When all information has been filled, you need to click the Activate button. A confirmation dialog box will pop up to let you know and that the key is valid. If you need some more information, you can always look into the Help manual by clicking the Help menu, then click the Content. There are a lot of information regarding Image2Punch and the explanation for all parameters and features in order to generate the pattern. In case you some more information or help, you can always ask for technical support and contact me via email. This is the end of the video. I am hoping this will provide you a good information.